Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Fiat Freemont Lounge, stock reference number 5077. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 1st month 2017. It has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand taillight, left tailgate garnish, rear bumper cover, factory fitted towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand taillight, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door also has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, instrument cluster, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.